the ultimate guide to a stock market investing for beginners. The stock market can seem confusing and even risky if you are a beginner. Many people think investing is only for the rich or for expert, but the truth is anyone can invest and build wealth over time. In this video, I am going to break down everything you need to know about a stock market investing in the simplest way possible. You will learn what the stock market is, how it works, how to buy your first stock, and the best strategy you grow your money. If you stay until the end, you will have a clear roadmap for getting started with investing, even if you have never bought a stock before. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a share, you are purchasing a small ownership in a company. If the company grows and becomes more valuable, the price of your share goes up and you make a profit. The stock market operates through a stock exchange like the New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq, where investors trade shares every day. How do a stock make you money? There are two main ways to make money from stocks. The first way is called capital appreciation. This means you buy a stock at a lower price and sell it later at a higher price. For example, if you buy a stock for $10 and it grew to $20, you make a $10 profit per share. The second way is through dividends. Some companies share their profit with investors by paying dividends. These are cash payments sent to shareholders, usually every 3 months. How to buy your first stock? Buying a stock is easier than most people think. You do not need a stockbroker or a lot of money to get started. First, you need to open a brokerage account. Some of the most popular platforms are Robinhood, Fidelity, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade. Once you create an account, deposit some money into it. Many platforms allow you to start with as little as $100 or even less. Next, search for a company you want to invest in. If you are a beginner, it is best to start with well-known companies that have a history of growth such as Apple, Microsoft, or Google. After choosing a stock, decide how many shares you want to buy and confirm your purchase. Best investment strategy for beginners. When investment in the stock market, you need a strategy. The best strategy for beginners is called long-term investment. This means buying a strong stock and holding them for many years. One of the safest way to invest is by using index fund. An index fund is a collection of many stocks bundle together. Instead of investing in just one company, you invest in a whole group of companies. Popular index funds include the S&P 500, which tracks the 500 largest companies in the US. Another great strategy is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money into a stock every month, no matter what the market is doing. Over time, this helps reduce risk and grow your investment steadily. Common mistake beginners should avoid. Many beginners make mistakes that cost them money. One of the biggest mistakes is trying to get rich quickly. Investing is not a lottery ticket. It takes time for money to grow. Another mistake is panic selling. When the stock market drops, many people get scared and sell their stock at a loss. But history shows that the stock market always recovers over time. If you hold your stock long term, you have a higher chance of making profit. New investors should also avoid investing all their money in one stock. Diversification is key. It is safer to invest in multiple stocks or index fund rather than putting all your money into one company. How to keep track of your investment? Once you start investing, it is important to monitor your stocks. You don't need to check your investment every day, but you should review your portfolio at least once a month. Apps like Yahoo Finance and Google Finance can help you track a stock price and news. Also, make sure to reinvest any dividends you receive. This helps grow your investment even faster over time. Why you should start investing today? The sooner you start investing, the better. The stock market rewards time. A person who invests $1,000 at the age of 20 will have much more money at retirement than someone who invests the same amount at 40. This is because of compound interest. The money you invest today earn interest and that interest earn even more interest. Over time your money grows exponentially. A stock market investing is one of the best way to build wealth, but you need to start as soon as possible. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need a lot of money. All you need is patience and the right strategy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below on what a stock or a strategy you are planning to use.